Hi everyone, this is how Contactor self-holding. This is how Contactor self-holding work, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do the connection. We are going to connect our live wire from our breaker here to number 1 terminal of the stop push button. So go ahead and do that. From our breaker, we are going to connect it to number 1 terminal of the stop push button. Go ahead and loosen it this way, and then connect it here. Now we are going to connect from number 2 of the stop push button to number 3 of the start push button. This is the start push button. I'll go with this short wire, put it to number 2. Then from number 2 of the stop push button to number 3 of the start push button. Go ahead and slack it. Then the wire goes to number 3 of the start push button. Then we'll tighten it. Then now we are going to connect from this number 4 of the start push button to A1 of the contactor coil. Go ahead with this wire. Put it here. From here, we are going to connect it to A1 of the contactor coil. A1. Then tighten it. You can see it. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to connect another wire. We are going to connect another wire to number 2 of this push button. So go ahead and loosen it. Another wire to number 2 of the stop push button. This way. Then I will lock it. Then from here, from this number 2 to number 14 of the contactor coil. Number 14 of the contactor. From here to number 14. You can see it. From number 2 of the stop push button to number 14 of the contactor. Then we are going to connect another wire from number 13 of the contactor to number 4 of the start push button. Go ahead and then loosen to number 13. And from number 13, you take it back to number 4 of the start push button. Here to number 4. This way, and then tighten it. Now we are done with the live wire, and then what we are going to do now is to connect our neutral from our breaker to A2 of the contactor coil. So go ahead and do it. From our breaker to A2 of the contactor coil, here is A2. Now we are done with the connection, and then what we are going to do now is to test. Switch on our breaker. You can see it. This is how to wire the contactor self-holding. So thanks so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please follow me and share this video, please.